we're gonna get cleaning.
When you were leaving, I need you even more than I did before. You had the last word when you walked out the door. You drive me crazy, I want you to stay here.
Hello and welcome back to my home. I'm so excited to be bringing you guys some cleaning motivation today. Buckle up, we have a lot to do. I really need to deep clean my bathrooms, and so we're gonna start off doing that. I have to clean the floors and just kind of get some stuff done around the house. Now that I've been on my messy to minimal journey for months and months and months now, it feels so good to just be able to manage our home. I have a new cabinet behind me. If you haven't seen my last video, make sure you go and watch it as I kind of do like a little kitchen makeover. We did a lot of decluttering, cleaning, organizing, and of course decorating in there. And yeah, I'm getting excited for fall. It feels kind of like a fall day. It's like sunny but just cool and crisp. So I have one of my like fall dresses on that I absolutely love, and we're gonna get cleaning.
Thinking about the way that you know me. No one ever cared like you care for me. You're such a bright star in the dark space. Babe.
We are starting off this cleaning and homemaking motivation here in the bathroom, which needed a really deep clean. So we're gonna be focusing on doing more than just my 5-minute tidy and clean in here. As you can see, we are deep cleaning the bathtub, and we'll work our way through the whole bathroom, starting at the back and working our way to the front. That's a hot tip for you as a professional cleaner to help you if you struggle to stay on track while cleaning. Just start at the back of the room and work your way to the front. So stay tuned, guys, if you are needing some home inspiration, as we are going to be cleaning the whole house today and just tackling my to-do list.
You got me like there's no other than you now, babe.
I wanted to just quickly introduce myself in case you are new here. We do have quite a few new subscribers, and I just want to say welcome. My name is Brianne. I am a wife, mom of 2, and a homemaker. I use all non-toxic cleaning products here in our home, and I love sharing all things home motivation. So recently I started my messy to minimalist journey, so I've been sharing tons of cleaning and decluttering tips and hacks along the way, and just sharing how I've been minimizing our home and material items. I also love cooking and baking and sharing recipes for all you other busy mamas out there who are struggling with what to make for dinner. And so I hope that you can just come here and leave feeling super inspired and accomplished while finding joy in your homemaking journey. So make sure that you subscribe if that sounds like something that you are interested in, and hit the like button as well so that I know to make more homemaking motivational videos.
You got me like there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like my. Like, oh my God, this time it's all different. You got every little string on me.
I have shared Sage products, I feel like 1,000 times here on my channel. I absolutely love this brand, and I feel like that fresh, clean feeling, as you can see here, really just like Sage takes it to the next level, because then everything smells good. It is non-toxic. It is like infused with essential oils. And so I just love using non-toxic cleaning stuff and sprays and stuff like that here in my home. I do try to be very mindful and intentional about what is coming into our home. Also, look at this new growth. Oh, I just love it. Aren't these new babies on our plants so exciting? Let me know down below if you are a plant lover, and if you are, I'd love to know what your favorite plant is. If you're wondering, this one is a monstera, and I can't wait for it to get bigger.
Wake up at your place, wake up at mine. Same question always. I'm getting tired.
So as you can see, we have moved our way into our primary bedroom, and I am just damp dusting all of our surfaces here. So I did the end tables, I did the top of our bed, which gets really dusty, and now I'm doing the dressers. With my messy to minimal journey, one of my biggest goals has been to create an easy to clean home. creating systems and routines that make things easy to manage and to also normalize like normal homes, not your super aesthetic Pinterest homes. Well, yes, they are absolutely beautiful to look at. It also has to be a lot more to clean. And so as much as I personally love cleaning, I would way rather spend my days at the beach relaxing or just doing things that bring me pure joy. So small house for us for now. Now that we've gotten the primary bedroom picked up, we are moving into the main living area. We had just gotten home from a camping trip and I had this bag that needed to be put away. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get everything put back into their homes before we move into some laundry motivation. So I hope you are up and cleaning along with me, whether you are folding some laundry, getting the dishes done, just get up and tackle your mess with me.
Why don't we just get a place together? Mornings in our own bed, so much better. Balconies and bathtubs, what you want? Why don't we just get a place together? Why don't we just get a place together?
I cannot even believe we are 1 week before our kids go back to school. This is my first year that both of my kids will be in school full time, and I have such mixed feelings about it. To be honest, we have just been soaking up all of these summer days, which is why I have 100 loads of laundry to do. I can never keep up on laundry in the summer. It honestly just gets put on the back burner, and that is okay. I mean, part of having a simple home is finding the systems and routines that work for you and just having an easy to clean home. And when it comes to laundry, I could care less if it sits in the laundry basket for an extra day, if that means that my family gets to go to the beach for an extra day. But let me know down below if your kids are back in school. And if not, what day do they go back to school? I can't even believe it. Please tell me that it gets easier. My youngest is going into kindergarten and it just kind of, it's giving me all of the feels.
I know you've been down thinking about him again. I know that your heart's been broken. You should try and let it go and start being yourself. You can put on your dress, we can play your favorite song, and I will take care of you, care of you, care of you. This is what we need, this is what we have to do. Tell me, can you feel it too, feel it too? Maybe you should go work that body. You should go work that body. The body won't stop till we great and old. Maybe for a second we can lose control. You should go work that body. Breakups leave the scars, you don't need to be ashamed. Everyone's got their hearts broken sometime. Let's go out and lose our minds, forget all about him. You can put on your dress, dancing to your favorite song. Everybody will sing along, sing along, sing along. So put your hands up, this is what we have to do. Tell me, can you feel it too, feel it too?
So my robot vacuum ended up cleaning and vacuuming the whole house, which feels so good to take something off of my plate. And if you're wondering what I am using here in my little spray bottle, it is just water. So that's all that my cleaning products use. It's just fiber technology and water. Highly, highly recommend them. Okay, you can probably hear my dishwasher going. It is a lot later in the day. It's actually 7:15. So the thing about being a stay-at-home mom, as most of you all know, you can't just like, you know, go full force and clean your entire house in one sitting. And so this ended up taking me all day, but it feels so good to have my house fully cleaned. The whole house is spotless. I ended up cleaning the basement bathroom off camera and just kind of doing some stuff there, and it feels so good. So I'm gonna get the girls ready for bed, and then I am going to relax for the evening. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's motivation. We'll see you next time. Bye.